What is a snowbird? A snowbird is a person who migrates from a colder, northern climate to spend the winter season in a warmer climate. Did you know? The status of being a snowbird was traditionally associated with retirees or the affluent. However, younger populations are now also choosing to embrace the snowbird lifestyle. Example of a snowbird. Popular migrations include Canada to Mexico or anywhere in the northern U.S. to Arizona. Here are some popular snowbird destinations: Texas, Arizona, Florida, California, and Hawaii. Snowbird tip number 1. Heading south for the winter? Park your landline or cell phone number with NumberBarn. Store it for later for just $2 a month. Cancel anytime. Snowbird tip number 2. Grab a local number for those snowbirding hotspots like Florida, Arizona, and Texas. Or spread your wings and get a number for almost any area code across the U.S., Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Phone numbers start at $5. Snowbird tip number 3. Getting ready to traverse those warmer climates? Port your landline or cell number to NumberBarn and forward your calls to your local number while you enjoy that RV life, sunshine, rest, and relaxation. Plans start at just $6 per month. We offer flexible phone solutions to give your snowbirding a softer landing. Park My Number. Simplify your snowbird checklist. With Number Parking, you can store your home or mobile number while away, canceling your existing service. You can play an outgoing voice greeting to incoming callers, even while your number is parked. You can send and receive texts, even from most landline numbers. Forward My Number. With call forwarding, you can send calls from your home number to other phone numbers, including cell numbers. You can use included voicemail, call logs, call blocking, and more. You can send and receive texts, even from most landline numbers. You can easily manage your phone numbers and account with our simple interface from our mobile app on your cell phone, or within your browser directly on your desktop. Find more about NumberBarn plans for snowbirds. Visit www.numberbarn.com/snowbirds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos.